look. Oh my god.
Oh, you're good. Jesus. If it's gonna start like that, man, we try to keep it real at least.
I'm trying to keep it real, but like, you call me the bougie one, and you got your fleece line Crocs?
Of course, everyone loves the fleece line Crocs.
I didn't even know those were a thing. No.
All right, we got Dave, Ian, myself back here. We're gonna do a little bit of a hog walk this morning again. Try to actually get some hogs on the ground. So I don't know. What do you say?
It's cold.
It is cold this morning.
It's cold.
Freaking cold. Boots are a little wet still.
I should have stayed in bed. It's cold. Pretty sure hogs don't exist around here.
Yeah.
It's a possibility.
I don't know. We'll see if we can find them though. So y'all stay with us throughout this. Probably gonna walk till about noon. It's a little bit after 8 right now. So see if we can get it done this morning.
It's cold. Keep going up, hit that restriction line, and then book it back down southeast or southwest. I think we'll handrail that river. Yeah, handrail that river because we're gonna start seeing palmettos when we get down there. And they're nesting right now. And this is gonna carry on. All this mark is gonna carry on down there. So pigwoods, what we saw last week. Ish. With the hog cover. Yeah. I mean, there were Haywood signs everywhere. This is fresh. It's a good day.
There's a yoke track in it.
I saw a big yote over there in the creek. There.
This is all tore up.
Besides this one. Yeah. That one's okay. It's probably about 100-pound pig.
Not bad. The things we do. It's alright, you got it.
Yeah, I'm good. Kind of. It gets real pointy up here.
It's alright, I'll buff.
Off me, you're throwing up the balance. Oh, it's all thorns.
Nice. There it is.
insult to injury right there.
Well, first spot didn't work out, so on to spot number 2. Not having any luck, but we're gonna get it done.
Complete understatement. Waiting on you, princess.
Who?
You.
No, never waiting on me.
I'm ready to go.
All orange hats in there.
Always forgetting something.
I think we're going to have to renegotiate the terms of his probationary period.
This is what happens. I don't have a compass for it.
We'd be taking that away real quick.
Where's she standing?
My first shot I took was around here.
Like over here, right?
No, my first shot was on that ridge before I had to drop this creek. Right
Yeah,
after
but by
you
the
said.
time she was already standing almost right here.
I popped her once before she hit that green, right in front of us.
Should be blood starting up here.
Yeah.
I think this is where she. No,
No, that wasn't it. It was somewhere over here.
she took off. Whew. Slippery with them Crocs on.
Yeah, I bet.
Hey, where was that blood starting?
Still in the Crocs.
Still in the Crocs, baby. There's blood right there.
Yeah, just came right over there. Right to here.
There he goes. Right here. Alright, so essentially that's where she started bleeding. From what we can make out. I'm sure there's a little bit more blood up there, but
My man Nick got greedy on me.
hey man, I saw a pig. I smelled blood.
It's okay. Well, let's go take a look at her, shall we, folks?
Oh yeah. She's a good one.
He got torn up. She's pretty though.
Good looking. Ain't bad. So, kind of a funny story here. Got in here and we've been walking all morning and we didn't see anything, of course, and we were driving down the road, just kind of doing the drive of shame out of here. And we had to kind of quickly slam on the brakes because the hog went flying across the road in front of us from a no-go zone that you can't hunt, and it came into the zone where we can hunt, and we all stopped the truck, got out and put a stalk on him, and we the 3 of us tag teamed this guy and put him down. Took a few rounds, but he was kind of running. So, but anyway, nice big boar here. He's probably a little over 100 pounds, maybe.
I'd say 125.
120, 125, somewhere around there. But yep, put him down with the final shot was that 300 blackout right there. Put him out of his misery. But man, kind of a cool experience, cool way to end this morning. So it's a great time with Ian and Dave. So it's funny how it works out. We never see anything, and then when you least expect it, it always pops up. So another great morning. Good job, guys.